If your car is worth anything to you, you want to make sure that you have comprehensive and collision coverage on your auto policy. But how do you choose the right deductible? Hey guys, Melissa here, and today we're going to go over what comp and collision are, briefly, how to choose the right deductible for you, and what you need if you have a lien holder, and how it's going to affect your premium, of course. But real quick, I want to remind you that I am licensed with my 440 and 215 in the state of Florida. That means I can sell auto, home, life, and health insurance. Now, you do not have to be in Florida for this information to be relevant to you. It's just a question I get asked often. And that's the whole reason I started this channel, to help people with the information that they're obviously looking for. Comprehensive and collision are not required coverages on an auto insurance policy, but if you have a lien holder, yeah, they're going to want to see it on there. So comprehensive in a nutshell. And if you're interested in full-length videos of these specific coverages so you know more about them, let me know in the comments. But comprehensive is going to cover things like acts of God, like a storm, a hurricane, things like that, theft, vandalism, and anytime you hit an animal. Collision, on the other hand, that's going to pay to fix your vehicle if you are at fault in the accident. Each one, comprehensive and collision, comes with a deductible option. What is a deductible? Well, that's what you pay out of pocket before the insurance even kicks in. So if you have a standard $500 deductible and you hit me, you're at fault, and your car is damaged, $500 out of your pocket before your insurance will cover the rest of the bill to fix your vehicle. If you're driving down the road and let's say an alligator happens to come out of the lake right in front of your car and you hit it, your bumper's messed up, well, that's your comprehensive coverage because you hit an animal. Now, granted, this thing probably would survive, but you still have to come out of pocket before the auto center will start to fix your vehicle with your insurance. Let's go back to the deductible options. You can get as low as zero out of your pocket before your insurance kicks in. And of course, like, who wants to pay out of pocket when you're already paying an insurance premium to take care of this? So that's the most sought after option, but it's going to raise your premium. It's going to cost more to lower that risk. The average, like I said before, is $500. If you have a lien holder, if you're either leasing or financing a vehicle, they will let you go as high as $1,000 per comp and collision. Now, if your vehicle is paid off, but it is your baby, you're out there washing and waxing it every week, you want to take care of it, and you live in a city like Orlando with some drivers out there that aren't necessarily defensive, you want to make sure that's as low as possible. But because it's paid off, you can go as high as $2,000 out of pocket. And I do have a lot of clients that choose that option. They'll tell me, Melissa, my car's paid off. I don't necessarily need this coverage, but I want it. But I have a savings account that has like a couple grand in it. So I'm happy coming out of pocket to keep my insurance lower because I don't believe I'll be in an accident. Fun fact, in this state, Florida, 1 in 8 people will be in an auto accident. Risky. At the end of the day, guys, it's all about you. What you can afford to pay out of pocket in case you're in an accident. If you have the financial comfort of being able to come out of pocket like that customer I just mentioned, then by all means, either don't carry it or carry it with a high deductible. But if you are not that comfortable, like most of us, get that deductible lower. It's what you're comfortable with paying for in case something happens. Just keep in mind, and if you have questions, ask me. My details are in the description below. Shoot me an email. I'm happy to help. If you are out of the state of Florida and want to ask your local agent, contact them we love questions. Never think that you are bothering us with questions, guys. But yeah, if you want to carry this, but you want to keep that premium as low as possible, that's going to be the option. But if you're okay paying more per month to lower that risk, do it. It's all about you. That's all I have on this. Questions in the comments. My email is in the description, and I will see you guys again very soon. Take care.